And you talk right now of future love, but can we live right here in the present sun?
Well, tonight we're start of making a very short film production. It's actually my first production to be submitted to the Road Short Film Competition.
And given too much, the path is lost. The places to go are here and now.
Hi, my name's Khan, and I'm the sound recordist for a project called A New Train of Thought.
Can you tell me a bit about the gear that you used?
So what we have is an NTG 4 Plus shotgun mic, which is a condenser mic, which is normally used as a boom microphone for overhead and recordings of dialogue. What we're using is a Rode New Shooter kit, wireless kit, which is we're using the transmitter from it right here.
Oh, that's no good. We'll go again.
New Train of Thought, scene 12A, take 2.
Do the thing.
A New Train of Thought, scene 12A, take 3. Take 4. Take 5. Take 6.
Action.
Amazingly, what was thought to be impossible only a few weeks ago has now been accomplished.
Yes, Space Command has just advised that they have detected a small spaceship appearing to fall into our planet. And it's not getting any better, leaving them with only 4 days to repair their craft.
In the present sun, and you talk right now of future love, but can we live right here?
Yeah, I'm Captain Garrick. I'm the captain of a ship that crashes into a doomed planet.
Yep, and I'm medic / loadmaster Bryce, and I'm a bit upset that you've crashed our ship, Captain.
I'm XO Watson, second in charge. I too am not impressed that our ship has crashed.
I'm going well so far.
I'm Tash, I'm the ship's engineer, and it's looking pretty dire for us at this point.
In the present sun.